how to add an app back to your home screen on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you can't find your app on your home screen, then it must probably be on your app library. So, go to your app library, you'll need to keep swiping left, and here you'll reach your app library. So, for example, if you can't find Facebook on your home screen, you can just tap on Facebook from your app library and drag it to the left and put it on your home screen. It's as simple as that. Now, for example, if you have kept a app on one of the folders and want to remove it from the folder, then you can just tap on the folder and then drag the app back. There you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.